Alright guys, this video is a video on how to tape in an internal, a drywall internal using paper tape first coat. Generally these only take 2 coats, one base coat where you bed it in and glaze over the top, and then a final top coat at the end. And so this is how to do it by hand. Here's one Eugene is just finishing. We're going to catch up with him on the next one. We're going to start afresh. So you're just glazing it right now?
Yeah. But this is my technique. I've got a routine.
Alright, here we have our fresh internal. So you load up both sides. You want to be using your 3-inch knife for this. No dry bits, make sure it's all covered. If there's a dry bit, like in the middle of the frame right there, it will bubble, and you don't want that. So he's loaded it up nicely. Let's have a look while he's fetching his tape. He's measured his tape and he's creased it. It folds nice and easy along a line. There's too much in it now. So now he's glazing over, taking his excess.
This is a recess, so it's always going to be a little shy. So, and yeah, so I try to leave level so it doesn't peel back into with the topping. Come on.
And that's pretty much it. So normally, yeah, you do your flat joints first, then your internal. You finish here, final coat down the internal there. So that's it there. And wait for that to dry. Normally the internals take longest to dry once you put the top coat on. It's the thickest. So here he's mudding up another one.
Okay, my routine is
set up. It's the van outside.
It's the old 1, 2, 3, 4 sequence.
Yep.
Yeah. So 1 is especially when you got a 4-1 because you're normally standing on something like this. You got regular days first. 2 is backhand. And then 2, normally if you've got a ceiling, you'd be up on a scaffold or something, so that's fine. And last but not least, cool.
People that don't know, the tape looks like this. There's sort of an inside and an outside that pops out. Obviously fold it in. Have it cut to size first.
Oh, you've already cut it. And this one's got recess, so we'll fill that recess as we're glazing. So we won't leave it right. Cool. This is an upright. And there's a recess on it. I'll try to find that bit. Walk away.
And that's pretty much it, guys. Let that dry up, and like I said, one more coat. I hope that helps you. If you have a drywall project that you're doing, you want to know how to take the internals, or if you want to know how to do anything else, we've got heaps of videos on this channel. Even if you're using automatic tools, we've got some good demonstrations of that. So yeah, that's it. We're going to keep it going in here. Check out the next video.